Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kayla, Crafty Pen Pal Mama. So I have a haul to share with you. PandaHall Selected is where this is from. And so I have worked with them previously and I picked out some different items this time. So I wanted to share with you what I got. So I'm going to start with the bottom one since it's bigger. And I have a code for you guys. Which will be linked in the description box with the links to these products. So, the first thing I picked out is this vinyl. This first one is like a dark burgundy, crimson, almost brown looking. Look at that, so pretty. Hope it's not too blinding. And then we've got this pink. Let's see what I can do. Oh, the back is holographic too. Alright, let's see what's the best way to do this. Okay, so we got this dark pink here. And these are, I should have started with the size. So these are almost 9 3/4 by 12 inches. A little bit bigger than your standard size sheet. And this is, if you can see, they're different holographic. This is almost like a Mylar looking effect here. So that's a pink and this is a pink. And you can see the difference there. So it's like a mix of holographic vinyl. Okay, there's that pink one like I mentioned. And then another, like the Mylar effect, is this, I don't know whether to call it yellow or orange because the way it changes. I love that effect, the colors. And then we have this dark purple. Super pretty. I cannot wait to make some things with this. I already have some ideas in mind. And then here's one with that same Mylar effect. It's like a dark teal to green color. If you can see that dark teal color there. I love that. Look at that. So pretty. And then another, that Mylar effect. But it seems to be going this way instead. And this was I think this is white. Obviously, it goes from pink to blue. Love it. And I've also backed vinyl on cardstock as well to use in a project. So you don't necessarily have to use these for, you know, decals on your Cricut. You can die cut this with a regular die cut machine, and then like I said, you can actually put this on cardstock to use as a project base as well to make it like paper. You might have to use a different adhesive considering how slick it is, but it is doable because I've done it. And then back to the, okay, so it goes back and forth quite a bit. Alright, so here's a silver holographic. Love it. And then here's another purple. And you can see it's kind of a green shift effect. Love that. And then this one is more like a baby blue shifting to pink and purple. More of purple. But, and here we have a dark green. Okay, I'll do another green. Okay, so we have this dark green. And then we have the red. Love that. And then this is like a gold holographic. Very similar to the silver one, but more of a gold tone. Super pretty. And then here's a black one. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. Be really great for Halloween projects. Super interesting. And then I believe this is the last one. Yeah. This is like a reddish orangish color. It's that Mylar type of holographic. So yeah, that is the vinyl that came in that. And let's see. That's the number there. If for some reason it's easier to use the number instead of the link. Excuse me. And then next we have these beads. Let me see if I can sit down and stay in frame here. So these are seed beads. They came wrapped like shrink wrap. I did go ahead and open it. And because the label was like a belly band, I like to snip off the company logo so I know where it came from for later so I can order more. So I cut off the little PandaHall writing there and adhered it down. So I got these for beadwork as well as to use for shakers. I needed some tiny beads to use for bead wrapping on my ends. And I think these add really pretty and great texture for shakers. So it's got all these different colors. This is a blue. This is more like a purpley blue, peach, and then purple cream. And then that's a little bit darker than this one. And then more of a yellow cream. This one actually looks the same, so you may have two of those. Yeah. And then this orange color, a dark pink, the teal, light pink, blue, a light teal. And then this is by itself. It looks almost black or gray when they're all together, but by itself, it's like a light gray. And then another tone of yellow, medium pink, lavender, and then these are a really light pink, like this one, but lighter. And so it comes already in this little container for you, already organized. And this little container measures 4 by right at 6.5. So I really love that their items come already organized for you there. You can just pop it on your shelf with your other items. And then I chose some dies. And I got Easter dies. So the first set I chose came in this little envelope. And I'm going to show you what they are. So these, like I said, they came in sets. These were not ordered separately. It was like a bundle. So they all came together. So first you have this cute little bunny here. He's kind of on the ground with his little bottom poked up in the air. And then he's standing there with his arm out. So you've got layering pieces. A couple of little chicks. Their little wings. Little layering pieces for the eye and nose. And let's see. This bunny here measures 3 inches tall. And then his body, from here to here, is just under 1.5. And then this guy over here is 2.5 inches. And then counting his ears, he's right at 2 inches tall. So that's the first one in the pack. And then the next one is this cute little border here with little bunnies sticking up. So it looks like it embosses their little hands and then their ears. And it cuts out their eyes and nose. And then, of course, you could back those if you wanted to, or leave them cut as they are. And this is a border, but I'm thinking it could work as a back topper. And it is 5 7/8 of an inch. And then tall, from the tallest bunny's ear, almost 2 inches. So next, and I can definitely see this one as a back topper, super adorable. So it's got the rectangle here with the stitching around it, little stars in the corners. And you've got your bunny ears peeking up at the top. And then you also get the layering pieces here. If you wanted to make them thicker, more dimensional, or just put, the centers of their ears on. So this little cutie is 4 1/4 inches wide. And then to the top of this tallest bunny ear, it is right at 3 1/2 inches tall. So these are going to be so cute to play with. And then here is one more. And this reminds me of that basic chocolate bunny you find in the stores around Easter time. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. So that'd make cute, adorable little chocolate bunnies. And he is 3 1/8 of an inch tall. And about 1 1/2 inches wide. And then he's got a cute little bow there to put on. So that's the first little bundle of dies, I mean. And the next one came packaged like this. It is also a bundle with several in it. And I love that these are all bunnies because they're Easter, but they can go with lots of other collections because we have lots of other collections that have bunnies in them. So it would be really cute to use in other ways. Alright, so this one came with these 3. So the first one, you have the front-facing bunny. You can see his little arms. And then the sideways-facing bunny. So the front-facing bunny is 2 1/2 inches. And this little guy is 1 3/4 of an inch. Excuse me. And so it's got some little, I believe that's the bunny ear layers. And then it's like a little scarf. And then you've got to place, a little die to make his eyes. Next, you have these words. So you have Easter, hello, happy, and spring. And of course, you can use these in whatever order you like. So these little guys, he's like 1 3/4, almost 2 inches, 1 5/8, 1 3/4. And so about the height, they are probably 5/8 of an inch. Is that right? So I think those are going to be really cute, cut out of foam. And like I said, you can do the Hello Easter, Happy Easter, or Hello Spring, Hello Easter, whatever you wanted to do. And then the next one, in the picture, I believe this is shown as a shaker carrot. So you have the shaker frame there, and then you have your leaves and other little pieces to layer up, a little carrot, vines. Like I said, it showed as a carrot this way, which would be super cute, but I also thought this way it could be a shaker egg. So you can do layering, or you can turn it into a shaker. And then, let's see, the full size of the egg or carrot is 3 inches. And then at the widest section, it is 2 inches. So yeah, these are going to be super fun to play with, and not only for Easter, but for other collections and time of the year as well. And that is my favorite kind of die when you can use it for more than one occasion. So that is it for this video. I will have the coupon code linked in the description box, as I mentioned, and the links to all the items I shared with you here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.